Hi guys, if you have weak ankles or you get nervous every time you need to leave the ground, this video is for you. We're going to build it up right from an assisted position. So you want something that's around like hip height, like a chair, or you can use a wall or a table, something like that. So the very first step is just finding out if we can support our weight on our toes and do little bounces. So you hold on to your support, and without leaving the ground, we're just doing little calf raises. And you can go nice and slow. If you're a bit nervous, we're trying to make sure that the weight is across all 5 toes. We're not rolling out. But it's basically just getting the weight lifting up off the heels. And you can also go faster, little bounces, which will prepare us a bit more for jumping. So whichever one you feel comfortable with. And you can start with sets of 5, but we want to build up to sets of 20 to get a bit of endurance in the calves and just a bit of familiarity with that more dynamic movement. Then when you've got the assisted bounces, we've got those sets of 20, 3 sets of 20 is good. We can start leaving the ground a little bit. We're going to lean really into our assistance, whatever that is, and we're going to just hop off the ground. And that could be like millimeters off the ground. It's just any amount of that dynamic movement. We're using as much assistance as you need to take as much of your weight as you need. So just leaving the ground, and just start with sets of 1 to 3. Especially if you are a bit nervous, you can just do 1, shake it off, breathe, and then come back and do another little 1. Because building up to leaving the ground is really, really important. Walking, running, jogging, if there's even a little trip that you have, you want your feet and ankles to be strong enough to catch you. So once you've built up your assisted hops to about 3 sets of 10 and you're feeling good, then we can start trying unassisted hops. We're going to bring the reps right back down again to 1 to 3, and you can have your support right there if you need it, but we're just going to do little bounces, again leaving the floor as much or as little as you need, just nice and gently using that elevated heel position to drive us off the ground, taking our full weight. If you try 1 hop without any assistance and you're like, oh, that was a bit too much, just bring the assistance back and just try and use less of it, just our fingertips, until you get more confident. Then when you can easily do or comfortably and safely, calmly, confidently do 3 times 10 reps of the unassisted hops, the next step would be to learn how to skip. And we've got a great video that you can check out on our YouTube channel of how to build up your skipping and different variations you can use. So get working on those ankles, get your confidence building, and you'll find that your feet, ankles, hips, and knees will hurt a lot less.